Do-it-yourself home improvement projects can lead to big savings. However, here are 3 that you should consider leaving to the pros. Just watch the video to find out what they are. Hi, I'm Sergio Garcia, realtor with the GarciaSHomeS team, and as a licensed real estate agent, I'm here to tell you that it is better to leave some tasks to the pros. So here are 3 of the worst projects to try to tackle yourself. Number 1, electrical work. The risk of fire from a faulty wiring far outweighs any cost savings, and trust me, any mistakes will turn up on a home inspection when it's time to sell anyways. Number 2, adding a bath or a shower. You see, leaks from poor plumbing can do serious damage to your home, so unless you're skilled, don't try it on your own. And number 3, install a carpet or flooring. And I know it's tempting, but it's harder than it looks, so consider yourself warned. Now, if you are ready to call in a pro, just feel free to reach out for a referral anytime. We'll be happy to assist you any way possible. And finally, we're always looking for great local businesses that we can introduce to the people in our centers of influence when they need it. So, if you think of one or some businesses that really offer great services and great experiences, please let us know. We'll be happy to add them to our 5-star referral center. As always, the GarciaSHomeS team helping you with your real estate needs. Have a great day.